There's only one vehicle that blends classic style and modern design to create the next generation of an icon. Take a look at this 2019 Alfa Romeo Stelvio TI Sport all-wheel drive in gray metallic. With headlamp washers, infrared windshield, dark badging, 20-inch black sport aluminum wheels, dark exhaust tips, sport leather seats, heated seats, steering column mounted aluminum paddle shifters, 8.8-inch display, navigation, rear backup camera, Apple CarPlay, and Google Android Auto, adaptive cruise control with stop and go, blind spot and cross path detection, Alpha DNA drive mode system, heated rear seats, power liftgate, 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details or to schedule a test drive, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D5432.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.